let's dive into creating a Microsoft 365 group using the Graph API. To do this, initiate a new HTTP request, Microsoft 365 Groups. With the post method, include the URL https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/groups. In the header, ensure to include content type set to application JSON and authorization with barrier token. If you are unsure how to generate a new token, refer to the video titled How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API, linked in the video description below. In the request body, include the parameter displayName, which will be the name displayed in the address book. Include a description for group, provide a mailNickname, set mailEnabled true for the mailable group, which will become email address for the group, set securityEnabled to false for non-security group, and specify group type as unified for Microsoft 365 group. Click the Send button to create a new Microsoft 365 group. A response status code of 201 indicates that the group has been successfully created. In portal.azure.com, navigate to Groups and search Start with Cells. Open the group created. You will notice that it does not have any member. Checking the Owner section, we'll find that a service principal has been added as a default owner. Now let's create another Microsoft 365 group with the designated owners and members. Update the display name, description, mail nickname. In the request body, to include owners, append owners@odata.bind with https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/user/owner ID and repeat for both owners. Now let's do the same to include two members, appending members@odata.bind with https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/user/member ID. Do it twice. To update the owner ID and member ID for respective users with object IDs, navigate to portal.azure.com and choose users. For example, to include Achal and Adam as a owner, update their object ID in the owners array. Likewise, add the object ID of Alexander and Smith in the member array. Click the Send button again to create a new Microsoft 365 group. Once created, navigate to newly created group in portal.azure.com and verify the owners and members. You should see Achal and Adam is listed as an owner and Alexander and Smith listed as a member. That's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share your thoughts in comments. See you next time.